Namaste everyone. Today is 7th July and there is a very important circular regarding the portion which is deleted from your syllabus. CBSE has decided to delete the following portion. For detailed information you can visit CBSE website, that is cbseacademic.nic.in. Now here I am discussing the science syllabus. For other subjects you can visit CBSE website. In chemical substances, nature and behavior, from topic metals and nonmetals, basic metallurgical processes, corrosion and its prevention. Now this topic is deleted. From topic carbon and its compound, nomenclature of carbon compounds containing functional groups, that is halogens, alcohols, ketones, aldehydes, alkenes and alkynes. Difference between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Chemical properties of carbon compounds, that is combustion, oxidation, addition and substitution reaction. Ethanol and ethanoic acid, only properties and uses, and soaps and detergent. So from carbon and its compound, if you see, majority of the portion is deleted. So in this chemical substances, these two topics have some portion deleted, rest all topic you have to do. Now in unit 2, that is world of living, we can also say biology. In that, control and coordination in animals and plants. Here, tropic movements in plants, introduction of plant hormones, control and coordination in animals, nervous system, voluntary, involuntary and reflex action, chemical coordination and animal hormones. So these topics are now excluded. In heredity and evolution, the basic concept of evolution is excluded. So heredity part is there, but evolution, basic concept of evolution is now excluded from the chapter. Under natural phenomena, from human eye and colorful world, functioning of lens in human eyes, defects of vision and their corrections, application of spherical mirror and lenses. So this topic is now excluded from the syllabus. From physics, effect of current. Now here magnetic effect of electric current, here electric generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantages of AC over DC and domestic electric circuit. So majority of the portion which are given at the end of the chapter are excluded from magnetic effect of electric current. Current electricity is there, complete chapter. Now source of energy, different forms of energy, conventional and non-conventional source of energy, that is fossil fuels, solar energy, biogas, wind, water and tidal energy, nuclear energy, renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy. So this topic is also excluded. So as you can see that they have not excluded any chapter as a whole, but they have excluded from some chapter they have excluded major of the portion, like from carbon and its compound, most of the things are now excluded. From control and coordination they have excluded lot of things. And yes, so from these two topics the majority of the portion is excluded. From other topics also they have excluded. There are practicals, okay, which you have to perform during the year. So you can see the list of practicals which now are excluded from your syllabus. And there is a topic for internal assessment. That means this topic will come for internal assessment, but it is not for your final exams. So management of natural resources, here conservation and judicious use of natural resources, forest and wildlife, coal and petroleum conservation, examples of people participation for conservation of natural resources, big dams, their advantages and limitations, and their alternatives if any, water harvesting, and sustainability of natural resources. So this topic, that is management of natural resources, is now for internal assessment. So you have to make note of all these things what are now excluded from your syllabus. So what you can do, you can check the syllabus copy from the same website, that is cbscacademics.nic.in, and there you will find the old syllabus and new syllabus, as well as you will find this deleted portion copy. So it is my recommendation that you go through that CBSE website and see all the informations which are there. Thank you.